Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try opening PowerShell on your Windows computer and when you try to open it, if you are receiving this error which says the code execution cannot proceed because mscoree.dll was not found. So if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So to fix this, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening command prompt as an administrator. Now click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key and let the process complete. Now this process will take some time. So let it complete. Now once this is 100% complete, run the second command. Copy this, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key and again let the process complete. Now once this is 100% complete, I have received some error, just ignore it and run the third command. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key and let it complete. Now once the third command is 100% complete, close this window. Now restart your computer. Now after the system restart, launch the application. You should not receive the error message again. Actually, this will reinstall .NET Framework on your computer. Now you can also enable .NET Framework 3.5 by writing turn off Windows feature on or off in Windows search box and then click on turn Windows feature on or off. Now make sure .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 both are checked over here. Then click on OK and let the process complete. Now once done, you might see the restart option over here. If you see restart, click on restart. If you don't, click on close and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you should not receive the error message again. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, uninstall recently installed update on your computer. So after updating Windows 11, many users are receiving this error message. For this, you can open Windows 11 settings, then go to Windows Update, then go to Update History. Scroll down, then click on Uninstall Update. Now select the update which was recently installed. So after installing this update, I started receiving this error message. So select the update and on the top you will see the uninstall option. Click on uninstall, click on yes and let the uninstallation complete. Now click on restart now to restart your computer. Now after the system restart, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to my Google Drive. I have uploaded show and hide troubleshooter to my Google Drive. So click on download. And once the download is complete, run this file. Now this is show and hide troubleshooter from Microsoft. So click on next and let the search complete. Now click on hide updates and you should be able to see the update which you have just uninstalled. In my case, it's KB50139943. Click on next and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window. Now next time when you go to settings and when you go to Windows Update and when you click on check for update, it will skip that particular update. So it will not install that update anymore and you should not receive the error message anymore. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error and you should be able to open Windows PowerShell on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.